This is a uniquely shaped and sleek smart plug that can make you start a home automation trip for your whole house. The LED indicator designed to surround the button gets you to know the current device state at a glance. How to control SONOFF devices through Echo Plus. Take the smart plug as an example. Firstly, power the plug on and it defaults to the quick pairing mode. Launch the WeLink application. Tap Add and select Quick Pairing. Enter the Wi-Fi network SSID and password. Tap Next and wait to pair. After the plug is paired with the WeLink app successfully, it is named plug, the name is defined. Lastly, tap Done. Tap Add again and select Link Account. Access Amazon Alexa, and tap Link with Alexa. Then you will access the account linking page. Tap Link. Now, your WeLink and Alexa account has been linked successfully. Launch Amazon Alexa application. Tap plus icon, select Add device. Then you will be required to select the device type and brand. Plug and WeLink are selected here. Next, tap Discover Devices. Wait Alexa to discover the plug. After the plug is discovered and paired, proceed to set up device. Go on to choose Group and Done. Grouping is recommended. Now, let's start to control a bulb using Echo Plus.
Alexa, turn on the plug.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the plug.
Okay.